where we dive deep into the future of drones, tech innovation, and the latest leaks that have the whole community buzzing. Today, we're taking a comprehensive look at the newly surfaced DJI Mavic 4 Pro. And let me tell you, things just got seriously exciting. Until recently, all we had were those polished promotional renders floating around, glossy marketing materials of the base package, FlyMore Combo, and the much-anticipated Creator Combo, which includes the brand-new RC Pro 2 controller. They looked great, sure, but there was always that lingering question, how real are they? Were they just placeholders or conceptual mock-ups? Fast forward to now, and it seems the waiting is finally paying off. Real-world images of the DJI Mavic 4 Pro have surfaced. Not prototypes, not concept art, but the actual production drone. This is not speculation anymore. What we're seeing appears to be the final version. Clean, refined, and impressively well-built, the design improvements alone are a clear signal that DJI is entering a new chapter with its Mavic series. The first look at the Mavic 4 Pro, real-world design revealed. The latest images show off a sleeker, more aerodynamic body design that sets it apart from its predecessors. While previous generations like the Mavic 3 Pro were already impressive in terms of design and capability, the Mavic 4 Pro has taken it even further. You'll notice slimmer, more streamlined arms, which could enhance airflow and possibly reduce drag during flight, translating to better battery efficiency and quieter operation. The camera system is perhaps one of the most talked about features so far. The new tri-camera setup looks significantly more compact, but don't let that fool you. It's packed with advanced imaging tech. DJI's engineering here is next level. While the exact specs haven't been officially revealed, expectations are sky high. We're likely talking improved zoom capabilities, higher dynamic range, better low-light performance, and possibly 8K. Video recording at high frame rates. Now look closely at the top of the drone in these leaked images, and you'll spot a pair of obstacle avoidance sensors, positioned prominently, suggesting enhanced upward detection and safety during complex maneuvers or automated flights. And for those who enjoy flying at night or in low-light environments, there's now a dedicated beacon light built into the body. This isn't just for visual flair, it's for real functionality, improving drone visibility for nighttime or foggy conditions. Surprise placement, LiDAR or infrared sensor. Hidden in the armone, particularly intriguing detail. While there's no visible LiDAR or infrared sensor on the main body, it's been cleverly tucked away in the front right arm, nestled discreetly beneath the propellers. This might not seem like a big deal at first, but it speaks volumes about DJI's commitment to obstacle detection, environmental mapping, and autonomous flight safety. What this hidden sensor implies is a more immersive and intelligent flight experience. With LiDAR or similar tech, the Mavic 4 Pro can likely map complex environments in real time, making it smarter and safer for indoor flights, forest mapping, or industrial inspections. The RC2 is still here, but the RC Pro 2 is the game changer now for those wondering. Yes, the standard RC2 controller is still part of the lineup. No major changes to report there, especially since it already received a refresh back in 2023. However, what is causing a stir is the all-new RC Pro 2. And wow, it's a whole new direction for DJI. When you first see it, you might do a double take. It's a dramatic departure from the original RC Pro. In fact, it bears more of a resemblance to old Phantom-style controllers, but with a serious modern upgrade. The RC Pro 2 features a massive 7-inch touchscreen display that folds out from the main body, designed not only for clarity and responsiveness, but for increased versatility in field use. When not in use, the screen folds neatly back into the controller, compact and travel-friendly. DJI has done away with the foldable joysticks this time around, instead opting for screw-in sticks similar to what we've seen in their enterprise-level A products. This adds a touch of professionalism and rigidity that many pilots will appreciate. Also worth noting, the controller sports a huge new scroll wheel on its side. What does it control? We don't know for sure yet. It could be designed to adjust an electronic ND filter in real time, or maybe it can be programmed to manage zoom levels, aperture control, or something more customizable. The possibilities here are endless, especially if DJI opens up user-configurable controls through software updates. Mavic 4. Cine. Where are you? So far, DJI has teased the base Mavic 4 Pro, the FlyMore Combo, and that exciting Creator Combo that bundles in the RC Pro 2. But one version that still hasn't shown up in leaks is the rumored Mavic 4 Cine model. For those not in the loop, Cine versions typically include high-end features like built-in SSD storage, ProRes support, and even higher quality imaging sensors. While it's still possible DJI is planning a surprise reveal, the current silence makes us wonder if the Cine edition is either delayed or just wishful thinking. Let's hope DJI is saving it for a special announcement, or maybe even pairing it with their next enterprise-level release. Real performance leaks. 6x better than the Mavic 3 Pro? In the leaks, one bold claim stood out, that the Mavic 4 Pro performs 6 times better than the Mavic 3 Pro. Now, on the surface, this sounds vague. How do you even quantify 6 times better? But if we break it down, we can speculate on where those improvements might lie. We could be looking at significant gains in flight stability, GPS lock precision, wind resistance, and maneuverability. Perhaps the obstacle avoidance system is smarter, faster, and more responsive. Maybe flight times are longer, and maybe video transmission latency has been drastically reduced. We won't know for sure until hands-on reviews drop, but this claim does set a high bar for DJI to live up to. Pricing, release date, and launch. Timeline. Historically, DJI tends to release new flagship drones within a window of mid to late summer. Given the maturity of these leaks and how polished everything looks, we can safely assume we're just weeks, if not days, away from an official announcement. The company often teases product drops just days before launch, so stay tuned. As for the pricing, while we won't speculate exact numbers here, expect the Mavic 4 Pro base version to land in the $2,000 range, with the FlyMore Combo likely nearing $2,600, $2,800, and the Creator Combo pushing well beyond the $3,000 mark.